The biggest question I get from players is, Ryan, I've had a long week, I've trained really hard, can I have a beer, can I have a whiskey? So they're always asking me, can I train and drink? Now, for all the athletes out there and all the people who are working really hard to get their bodies in shape, alcohol, if consumed, let's say I'm going to do my leg workout today, and in the evening I go for a drink with my friends. When I do my leg workout, my muscles release an enzyme called creatine kinase. Now when you drink alcohol and creatine kinase go at a jagda, they go fighting with each other. So when you do that fight, you lose creatine kinase, which helps recover the muscle. So taking alcohol within a 24-hour window is actually detrimental to your recovery. Plus, alcohol also dehydrates the body. You want more hydration, more fluid getting into the muscles for faster recovery. If at all a player wants to drink, I say do it on the weekend. Do not train at least 24 hours prior, because you want the benefit of that workout to be done with proper nutrition. And above all, I tell athletes, you need to drink only under the advice of your nutritionist, and keep it small, keep it limited, because too much of alcohol is going to dull your brain, dull your muscles, and you're not going to have recovery. Now, every day when an athlete trains, there is microscopic damage in competition or in training to muscles, skin, blood, even ligaments and cartilage. So every day there is tod-fod, breakdown. We need to help the athlete rebuild. This process of rebuilding is called recovery. Now in terms of recovery, we know that hydration plays a key role. Taking energy drinks which have high sugar are not beneficial in recovery. So in good recovery, look at coconut water, look at fruit juices that are 50% diluted with water, because you do not want a too high solution. If you're fat, don't do juices, eat the fruit directly. Additionally, protein plays a significant role in recovery. There is a window of 3 hours of recovery post-exercise. This means that if you do any exercise and you don't eat the correct amount of protein, which is anywhere from 10 to 30 grams of protein, then you are not giving the protein quick enough in that window of recovery of 3 hours. So keep this in mind. The correct time, the correct food, the correct quantity. The correct time is do it as quickly as your workout gets over or sporting event gets over. Consume 10 to 30 grams of protein along with maybe about 50 to 100 grams of carbohydrates. It's always best to take a high protein meal with a milkshake or a fruit juice, or eat some fruit. A sandwich is really good, an egg sandwich, a veg sandwich, a chicken sandwich. These are things that you should consume to replenish and rebuild and recover your muscles. If you're a lightweight person, if you're a woman watching this, then your protein is not so high. It's 15 grams and 15 grams of protein and 50 grams of carbohydrate. If I were to tell an athlete the top foods for recovery, I would say egg, milk if you're not allergic to it. You can look at things like beetroot. You can look at things like non-veg, any non-veg post-workout if you're a non-veg person. If you're a vegetarian person, look at paneer, look at tofu, look at rajma, look at lobia, look at chana, look at hummus. All of these things are really keen in recovery. In terms of grain, I like to go with brown rice, oats, I like to go with quinoa, and there's something known as amaranth. Amaranth is very high in nitrates. So athletes, please get amaranth flour and make your chapatis not with wheat flour, not gehu, but make it with amaranth. Amaranth is very, very, very healthy for you. In addition to this, look at amla. Amla has 7 times the potential of spirulina in terms of antioxidant action. When you're an athlete, you require this amla to help in recover from the damage. You see, when you damage your muscle, there's a lot of rusting that happens inside. That's the simplest way I can explain it to you. This rusting has to be cleared out. So amla is very good in antioxidants. Oranges are very good. Pomegranate is very good. Purple cabbage, if you've seen purple cabbage, purple jamun, purple grapes, the purple color contains something known as anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are nature's saradon. It's like a painkiller. It can go to your muscles and help reduce soreness and swelling. Above all, beyond nutrition, 8 hours of sleep is minimum. A good athlete, somebody like Virat Kohli, gets 9 to 10 hours a day. Sushil Kumar would get 12 to 13 hours a day, 8 to 9 hours in the night and 3-4 hours during the day after training. So it's very important. Parents, please realize this: if your children are playing, do not let your athlete child sleep less. Let them sleep more. Sleep equals recovery, sleep equals growth. That's the focus you need.